Hi guys, how's it going? Booting up Kali Linux on my Raspberry Pi 4 Model B, 8 GB of RAM. Today we'll be installing FanShim into that Raspberry Pi 4 Model B. From coreelectronics.com.au, I bought this fan for my Raspberry Pi 4. It's called Primoroni FanShim for Raspberry Pi, around $21. So that's the fan itself. It works pretty good, but I think I have to set it up. And this is before picture, and this is when the fan is on, after picture. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to software setup guide here, because I need to set that up. And then assembly, I've done the assembly already. So this is the shows you a step-by-step guide how to assemble the whole thing into your Raspberry Pi 4. So that's how it gonna look like once you assemble. Now we need this part, which is the installing the FanShim software. Okay, so first thing first, we'll copy this. We'll copy all of that and paste it in the terminal. Type in your password. And what else we will be doing? That installs the Python library itself, but we put together a nice Python script that sets temperature thresholds. Okay, so it's installing in the background. Okay, that should be done. Now we'll go in our testing. Okay, so this is just an example. To stop, I type in this command. Okay, finishes installing, but I can hear the fan. Looks like fan is still on, so we'll see the examples. We'll copy this and paste it in the terminal. There we go, the fan just turned off. So the started FanShim services. Great, because when it hits 55 up to 65, delays 2 minutes or something, this install will run automatically script in the background, and it should even start running again if you shut down and boot up again and reboot. So if you reboot your system or shut down your system, this should automatically run. The LED indicator of the CPU indicates the green being cooler and red being hotter. Okay, sounds good. A long press on the button put the fan into manual mode, and then a short press will stop and start the fan. Okay, cool. Long pressing again will re-enable automatic mode. Okay, if you ever need to stop the script running in the background, you can type in the terminal that command to stop the script running. If you want to change thresholds, change temperature to 75 and the off temperature to 60, the delay to 5 seconds, then you can type the following terminal command. So following command in the terminal. I think I'll keep the one we have here, not going to change it. So if you want to permanently disable the background script, you can type in the terminal. So if you want to disable the thing, you type in, copy paste that command. To re-enable that command. So it's pretty straightforward, and it tells you what happens when you type in those commands. And yeah, I don't hear the fan now because it's not that hot yet. Just turned on my Pi 4. Yeah, should be good to go. This is how you mount fan shim on your Raspberry Pi. Yeah, it's a great piece of hardware and a little piece of software. Great, runs great. Yeah, I'm happy with that. If you're interested, you can go ahead to this web page here. Where I bought this from is coreelectronics.com.au. If you're living in Australia, that's where I bought it from, and have fun with that. It's cost you around 21 bucks. So thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe. Peace.